since I have marketing expertise on the other side here, I typically will ask and put people on the spot to say, if you're familiar with the DOYO Live platform and what we do from a content strategy in email and social media, what would be one or two recommendations that you have for me as the way that we approach our marketing with DOYO Live?
So oh man, really put me on. I get every bit of it. I actually, one of the things that I do that some people don't is I actually get notified when people are posting stuff. And I don't do it for everyone, but it's a lot of certain channels. And I don't think people really capitalize on promoting that and pushing that, and having that maybe a couple of times from your end. But, even just once or twice, like, there's a lot of really great content coming out of your page. Just the vast majority of different people with different backgrounds, especially the people in marketing. There's so much that anyone can really learn from it. So kind of pushing that and being like, are you getting notified when we're doing it? Or are you just seeing what people are sharing? So I think having that opportunity is really cool.
That's a good point. I pay attention to my kids when they're watching these YouTube channels that grow these massive followings, and every one of them is like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And, the same thing with this here, like, hit the button,